Hey there, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some new princess dresses I'm going to share with you. Welcome back in for another try-on haul with yours truly. If you are new here, hey there, I am Laura and I love to bring you all things girly. Obviously, you can see by my room makeover that I'm going hardcore this year with like all the girliness. So if you've been a lovely and you've been here, you know I love my princess style. I live a very princess lifestyle in general. I'm going to be sharing with you some new princess poofs that I got from Selkie from their Valentine's Day collection, and oh my gosh, they are just beautiful. But I don't know if they fit because I haven't tried them on yet, so let's get to it. But first, if you haven't subscribed and you like girly content, click the subscribe button. The first beautiful princess dress is the Queen Bee Terrace gown in this beautiful, oh my god, check it, the floral print. It is so beautiful, and actually you can see like there are little bumblebees throughout the roses. Bright, kind of like corally candy pink color. So I thought this was going to be similar to the Ritz gown, which it is in style. Technically, it's just a different material. So this is definitely more of a casual vibe. You can see here that it's not, it's like, I don't know my materials, but this is more of an actual fabric versus like your satiny, chiffony silk, like the normal Selkies, what they come in. This is definitely more of a cottony knit, possibly, so it's a little bit more casual vibe. Has a ruffle bottom, which is gorgeous. The top, you do have a drawstring along the neckline here. I think, honestly, in this print and this gown, so beautiful off the shoulder. I actually got this in a size small. Selkie changed her sizing, and I had been a small. Then after I got the girls done, I went up to a medium because they were just too tight around the chest. But now, she changed her sizing again, and I'm back down to a small. So whatever you do, I think style to style on her site, depending on the dress, look at where it tells you to measure yourself at and go off of that. Like, she fits perfectly through the torso. She's nice and snug, but not too tight. I just want to do like all the princess twirls. You know how I just was saying to make sure to check your measurements? Probably should have done that with this one. This is the French Porcelain corset dress. Now, I love her. Again, I love this beautiful, she's like a baby. She's like a baby pink, but like a little brighter, like a baby candy pink. So the print is really hard to see even in person. That's kind of why I love it, because it's kind of like, wait, what's in it? But it's this beautiful floral print. There's like seashells and little birds and like plant or palm tree type things. She's just, it's kind of like a beachy French toile. She's hitting me underneath the knee, but not mid shin. So it's like the perfect midi length. Again, I'm 5'8". I'm staying on my tippy toes so you can like see where it cuts off right now. But I just love how beautiful she twirls. She's so pretty. I had to struggle zipping her. She is quite tight around the bodice. I don't know if I'd want to get a medium. I feel like a medium, because this is strapless, I feel like a medium, I would be worried about it just falling down. Like, how pretty is this little lacy trim detail above the bust? It's so beautiful. I know this was a quicker little try-on haul, but these two items were from their recent Valentine's Day launch, and I wanted to share them with you because they're just so pretty, and they're pink, and they're just perfect, especially if you live a very princess lifestyle. Then you're gonna need to go check their dresses out, because they have amazing dresses. And honestly, I wish I didn't love them as much as I did, because my wallet hates me for it. Selkie's quality versus any other poof dress that you can find on the market, Selkie's by far has been the best from what I have tried to find when I'm looking for like lookalikes. So just know that they are pricey, but at the same time, the quality is so much better. If you lovelies enjoyed this try-on haul of these two beautiful new dresses, please give it a thumbs up. It's always so greatly appreciated. And now, if you're still here and you haven't hit that subscribe button, do me a favor and just click the subscribe button. That way you never miss a thing from me. And until next time, stay lovely, lovelies.